had the water clear, and then I got in here and I started stirring stuff up. So we still got some more cleaning to do. But I have a pool that's full of chlorine. We even read at the top, so there's more shade here.
Let's do it again.
You want to play this again?
Yes.
Need 10 points. Here you go. I think there's going to be a storm soon. Oh! That's a pretty purple.
It's purple one.
It's okay. It's okay. As you hear a fire truck in the distance. Yeah. I saw a few of them over there already.
Everywhere.
Big one. Big one.
They're popping everywhere.
Yes. It's everywhere.
I don't feel good today, so I'm laying down and letting him have tablet time. He comes up and says, "You move." Really? This is my side of the bed. You got a whole side of the bed over there. And you gotta try to take over my side too? Hey, you, boy. Can you use Daddy's side of the bed today? Okay. I don't need a foot in my face. It's wild today. Absolute wild. It's his new favorite game to play in the pool. He's so strong.
Go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
It's more challenging now, huh?